So after my skin was dragon infected, it's peeling off, and soon you'll be able to see my true self. By the way, did you try to move your eyebrows while one eye closed? I definitely couldn't succeed in this task. So let's just go painting. I already have my lens in and ready to start. First of all, I'm blocking my eyebrows with wax and then powdering it so it's easy to paint on. Then I warm up a gelatin skin in the hot water. While I'm waiting, I'm sketching out the place where skin of dragon is going to go. By the way, if you're looking for great lenses with a discount, check description below. It's time to check a gelatin skin. It's nice and soft, so I can start applying it with my spatula. The water wasn't boiling hot, so it's not too hot on my skin. I need to apply it quite fast before it sets back, but it's not a problem because I can always put my bag back into the hot water and warm it up again. After applying it, I'm powdering over my skin and then applying a foundation with a sponge. The skin is easily removable, so I'm being careful and I'm only tapping over my skin. As you noticed, it's a tone lighter. I want to make it a bit sticking out the whole skin, and then to make some irritation around it. Then I'm filling in all the space which I left inside of the second skin. So I start with my eye and then starting to add all of the scales that dragon has, and I vary the size of scales. I make them from small to big, all of different shapes and sizes. At the beginning I do it roughly and then filling them in with a color, just to let me see where the scales are going to be, so I can work on details later on. And while I remember, I would like also to invite you to the group One Stroke Beauty, where you can see lots of one-stroke designs, not only by me but by other amazing artists, some video tutorials. I also have an Instagram channel when I post pictures from parties, other transformations and paintings which I didn't do a video of. It's called Ulyanka Art, and I'll be happy if you check it out. After applying the main color, I'm starting shadowing around each scale and also around the skin that's outside of my of this breakage. Sorry about the blurry image, I fixed it later. On each scale there would need to be a highlight as well, so I'm going around each scale again, just now with a white color, and it's going to be all around of each scale, and then in between I'm going to fill in with black. Ooh, finally back to normal vision. Layers of scales are a bit separated, so the big ones are kind of all together, and then the eyes is something like a separate piece, and then the smaller one also keep their own space. It's a lot of outlining. Boring. So while doing it, make sure to put the music on or a nice audiobook. I also go around the edge of the skin and outline the color, making a bit lighter at the ends, so it's more visible that skin goes over these dragon scales. To my own skin, I'm also adding a few shapes of scales, so it looks like the dragon skin comes through the skin, the shape of it. While doing my eye, I took a bit too much water, so I had to wait and applied a few layers after drying, but I should have done it just starting from yellow, then orange and red to the sides, and now I'm shadowing all around the eye and adding more layers like what is inside of the eye. This is this kind of a thin skin which is around the eye, so I'm painting it just now. And then I'm also adding some shadows so it reflects this 3D shape. I add a few irregularities to the eye, some dots, some lines, so it doesn't look like it's just empty yellow eye. I add some highlights with a tint of blue color, and then painting a long pupil. At the end I'm adding a bit more highlights, and this is it. If you like this video, your friends might too, so please share this video, subscribe, press the like button, and don't forget about this bell button. If you press it, you will have notifications about my new videos coming out. Love you guys and see you soon!